In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print emails and attachments in Gmail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send a clean copy of an email to your printer and what to do when you also need the attachments on paper. Start by opening your browser and going to mail.google.com, then sign in if you're not already. It helps to have your printer powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi or network as your computer before you begin. Once Gmail loads, head to your inbox so you can see your messages. If you keep your emails in labels or folders, that's fine too. Just open the place where the message you want to print is stored. Click to open the email you want to print. If it's part of a longer conversation, make sure you're viewing the specific message you need, not just the entire thread, so you don't print extra pages you don't want. Give the email a quick scan for formatting or images that you want to appear clearly on paper. In the open message, look toward the top right of the email content for the three-dot More menu. This is Gmail's message menu, not the three dots in your browser toolbar. Click it, then choose Print. Gmail will generate a clean print view that strips out most of the interface so the output looks tidy. Your browser's print dialog will open. Here's the key part. Check the destination field and select your printer. If you see Save as PDF, switch it to your actual printer. While you're here, confirm options like Pages, Layout, Color versus black and white, and double-sided printing if your printer supports it. If the email thread is long, use the Pages setting to print only the parts you need. If the preview looks too small or cuts off content, adjust Scale or choose Fit to Page for the best result. When everything looks good, click Print to send it to the printer. If you also need to print attachments, open the email's attachment thumbnails and click to open each file. For PDFs and images, use the viewer's print option so they fill the page correctly. For Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, open them and use their print command to get the best formatting. You can download an attachment first if you prefer, then print it from your computer's default viewer. Keep in mind that printing the email itself does not automatically print attachments. You'll handle each attachment from its own viewer for the cleanest output. If the print window doesn't appear, allow pop-ups for Gmail. If your printer doesn't show up, make sure it's online and on the same network. And if the printout looks tiny, use Fit to Page or increase the scale. That's it. Simple, reliable printing for your Gmail emails and attachments.